Conversation. Talking about the present, present continuous tense. Situation. Emma and Jack are at the park. They are watching people and talking about what is happening around them using the present continuous tense. Hey Jack, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining and many people are here.
Yes. Look at that little boy. He is flying a kite.
Oh yes. His parents are watching him and taking pictures.
And look over there. Some children are playing football.
Yes. They are running and kicking the ball.
The birds are singing in the trees. It's so peaceful.
And look! That old man is sitting on the bench and reading a newspaper.
Oh, and that woman is jogging near the lake.
Many people are exercising today. Some people are riding bicycles.
And some people are walking their dogs. Look at that big dog. It is jumping happily.
Wow! The ducks are swimming in the pond.
And those two boys are feeding them. The ducks are eating the food quickly.
Ha! And look at the ice cream cart. The man is selling ice cream to the children.
Yes. A little girl is eating a big chocolate ice cream. She looks so happy.
Oh no! A little boy is crying. His balloon is flying away.
Oh, that's sad. But his father is buying a new balloon for him.
Look at that couple. They are sitting on the grass and talking.
Yes. And the woman is drinking orange juice.
Oh, the park gardener is watering the flowers.
And the flowers are blooming beautifully.
Wow! I love this park. It's so full of life.
Me too. Right now, we are sitting on this bench and enjoying the fresh air.
Yes, and we are having a great conversation. Grammar focus. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now. Structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing. Examples. I am reading a book. Right now I am reading. She is talking on the phone. They are playing football in the park. Questions and answers. Use what, where, why questions or yes/no questions. What is he doing? He is playing the guitar. Where are they going? They are going to the park. Is she drinking tea? Yes, she is.